But being myself is something I do well. Whatever you do, do it good. Whatever you do, Lord, Lord, Lord. Do it good, yeah. Alright. Express yourself. Express yourself. See, it's not what you look like when you're doing what you're doing. Express yourself. Here we go now. I don't make the papers, I'm far from JLS. Ain't got the X factor, I'm not what they expect. Listen. But it won't be long before my turn is next to express. Now with all due respect, see whatever I do, yes, I do it good. So whatever you do, Lord, do it good. Express yourself.